Hello there everyone, this is Brother Birch. In this assignment I will be introducing assignment 3.0. For this assignment we will be getting the average of 10 grades inputted by the user. Okay, we will be using an array for this. So it says this program will consist of three parts: get grades, average grades, and a driver program, which is main. Okay, so for get grades it says write a function to prompt the user for 10 grades and return the result back to main. Note that any variable declared in get grades will be destroyed when the function returns. This means that main will need to declare the array and pass it as a parameter to get grades. Average grades. Write another function to find the average of the grades and return the answer. Of course, the grades will need to be passed. And then our main program will have the grades array as a local variable, call these two functions, and display this result. Okay, so it looks like get grades is going to have all of these outputs because that is where these inputs are going to have to be. And these values are going to be stored in an array, probably called grades or something similar. But the way that I would start this is I would look at this example. Example 3.0, passing an array. All right, look at this. It looks a little bit similar. Please enter 4 prices in euros. Okay, price number 1, price number 2. Okay, kind of similar to this grade 1, grade 2. All right, and then it says prompt the user for the prices in an output parameter. Okay, and so they have this output here. Notice this for loop. Okay, and they're able to output the price number and then I plus 1. It's I plus 1 because they declared I as 0. Okay, they could have declared I as 1 and said while I is less than or equal to num, and it would have done the same thing, and then you wouldn't have to have plus 1 right there. Okay, but then they're outputting, but then they're saving that prices value in whatever they put in. They're saving it to this prices array with the new index. Okay, so I guess if you didn't say I plus 1 here and you declared I as 1, then you'd have to say I minus 1 here. So anyways, this is a really good example. Okay, this has a lot of the logic that you're going to need for yours, and then this as well. So I would recommend you kind of start here, and then when you get started, I kind of built out just a little bit a couple minutes ago for how I would start this. Okay, I have a little placeholder comment for each of my functions. I declare grades just like it says to do. I call the grades function and I store that value in a float average, and then I'll have my output at the end. Okay, so I don't feel bad showing you guys this because these are things that we've done pretty much the entire semester up to this point. But the tricky part about this is learning how to work with arrays inside of these two functions. Okay, so I'll leave the rest to you. If you have any questions while you're working on this, just let me know. But I hope that this is helpful, and I'll talk to y'all soon.